Welcome back. Now I'm going to show you a very particular feature that WhatsApp has just introduced. Some of you might not even know how to use this to actually increase your WhatsApp view. So instead of you begging for people to save your number so that they can be viewing your status, now there's a way to actually do it without begging, people. So I'm going to be showing you here. Now let me show you how what I meant. Okay, so let me go to my status now. So this is my status. Now you will notice that I have 15 views for the first one and then 5 views for the second one. That gap in between them, why is it? Now the first one I used that method, the second one I didn't use it, and see the difference. So the difference is huge. And I just did this just this morning. All right, now around that 9:02, and this is just 10:27. Now let me show you what I did with the first one that made it to have more views. Now let me tap on it. You are going to be noticing that there are some numbers that don't have names. Okay, look at this one, the first one. Look at, okay, about 16 of them. Now look at this one. So it doesn't have a name. Now, I've actually saved others, like this viewer 2. It doesn't have a name too. This viewer 3 doesn't have a name. Then this viewer 4 doesn't have a name. I just saved their contacts now. So I have about one, two, I have about one, two, okay, three, all right. Then I have this one, which is 4, and then this one 5. I have about 5 of them that does not have a name. So those ones are not saved. They are not saved on my contact. So they don't save my contact, and I don't have their contact saved as well. All right. So, but they were able to view my status, and that's why you could see them here. They were able to view my status, and that's why you could see them here. So how did I do that? Now, what you need to do is to just go to where you want to post. Okay. So let's say I have this that I want to post. Let's say, for example, let me just take something random that I want to post. Take, for example, let's say I want to post this. Now, so let me just type something like this. Watch this. So before you now send it, now check here. You are going to see this art sign. All right. So I'm going to tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's going to ask you to choose people that you want them to see this your particular status. So you are going to pick them from your contacts. So you can pick individual numbers that you want them to see, or you can pick group. So you can select. So I can decide to select this. I can decide to select, groups that you want them to view your status. So everyone in that group who does not have your contact, who does not have you, or who does not save your contact, will be able to see your view. Okay, so after you have just done all that, okay, so let's say I just pick those two. All right, so I will now click, I will check it, and then I two contacts selected, then I can now send it. Okay, so when I send, you just click on this to send. So just click on this to send. So once you send, anyone who is within that group that you have selected, whether they save your contact or not, they will be able to see. This is how it's going to show to them. So let me go back. I don't want to send this, so I'm just using this to explain. Now this is how it's going to show on their. This is how it's going to show to them, and then they will be able to click on it. So let's get there. Now it's going to show like this. Okay, let me give you this example. So this is how it's going to show to the group. So once any one of them, whether they save your contact or not, tap on this, it's going to bring them to your WhatsApp status and they'll be able to view it. So this is a better way of actually increasing your WhatsApp status view without having to beg anyone to save your contact. I hope you learned something.